In this video, I'll show you how to blur your background in Microsoft Teams before joining a meeting. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and join your meeting. Once you click Join, you'll be taken to the Meeting Preview screen. This is where you can adjust your camera and audio settings before entering the meeting. Make sure your camera is turned on. Now look for the option called Background Effects. Tap on it and then go to the Background section. Here you'll see an option called Blur. Select the Standard Blur option. As soon as you select it, you'll notice that your background becomes blurred while you remain in focus. Once you're happy with the preview, go ahead and click on Join Now to enter the meeting. And that's it. Your background will stay blurred during the meeting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.